Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to link Google Assistant to the power button on your OPPO A6 Pro. So basically, open up your settings and go down here to accessibility and convenience and scroll all the way down here to power button. Press and hold the power button to open up the power menu or digital assistant. So choose a digital assistant. Basically I think it's chosen from factory. And then just click and hold your power button for a few seconds. Click on more if it's your first launch. More, use Gemini. And basically that's it. So let's try again. What's the weather for tomorrow?
In Krakow, it'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 0 and a low of -6.
So basically that's it, that's how it works. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.